In this video, we will find the smallest value in an array of integers. So how do we change the existing program that we have from video 54 to find the smallest instead of the largest? So now we change a few things. So instead of the smallest, we will declare a variable called smallest. Now let me just talk quickly about the program in case you're here without having watched video 53, is we've got a limit. This size you can change if you wanted a bigger array or a smaller one. You can just reduce or increase that value. We also have an index starting from 0, and we loop from 0 to the end of the array, and we store a number that we get from the user using a function. So basically it just prints out the message to the user, cin, and then returns that number. And then we just assign the values that number to each index of the array in a while loop. So this number could be different at each round. And then we try to find the smallest. So we will declare a variable called smallest, and we will assume that the first element is the smallest. Then we loop through the rest of the array to check if there are smaller elements. And if so, we update smallest with that value, which is this variable. So if the number sitting at that index of the array is smaller than smallest, so we just update it. That's the only change that we have to do. And of course, just the names of the variables. So the only difference is the sign. We're now looking at a smaller value, and of course we changed the name of a variable. So that's pretty much all we need to do to change the previous program into something that finds smallest numbers. So if I have a larger value and then a sort of a really small value, an even smaller one, and then a normal positive number, so it will still find the smallest value. So that's it. I hope this helped you, and I'll see you in the future ones.